Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai or Kia guys with a GDI engine and you're trying to find where is the clutch for the AC compressor. Stay with us and we're going to explain that today. Many of those vehicles with the GDI engines, they use a compressor that has a hidden clutch. It's not visible. It's known as a clutchless compressor, but there is actually a clutch. Even though it's clutchless compressor, there is a clutch, and we'll explain how to remove it and how to replace it. Now, before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this information to you. Now, if you need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. With that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. This is the AC compressor out of a 2.4 GDI engine right here. This is the engine with the cooling system, AC condenser, AC lines, everything just the way it sits in the vehicle. Now, there is a problem, okay? There was a problem with that compressor where it didn't turn on. You can usually fix them just for a few dollars instead of buying a new one, and we'll put the parts that where you can get them from in the description of the video below. This is the compressor. If you look at it, there is no clutch. Okay, back in the day you used to have the clutch wires right here. The clutch was a magnetic coil that will let the pulley spin freely, and when it's activated it will lock the pulley to the AC compressor shaft. That way the compressor will be turned on. But now why this one doesn't have clutch? They invented new design where instead of a clutch, okay, it uses an AC pressure switch, guys. That pressure switch is actually your clutch. We'll remove it and show you, make sure to stand till the end. Now, when you use the switch, that's what the old one looks like, okay? We're going to remove it, but you have multiple stages. It can open and close gradually, so it makes the operation of the AC compressor nice and smooth. You have a smooth running engine. Back in the day when you turn the AC on or it circulates on and off, you will notice a loss of power, jerking, so it wasn't nice. Also, it can let the AC compressor run at, let's say, half the load, 75% of the load, so it can save on gas as well. With that being said, okay, let's explain where it is. You will have to have your AC system drained and don't release it in the atmosphere. Just have a vacuum, have the system vacuumed, guys. They will suck all the freon out of it, and then you can remove and replace the switch. Otherwise, all the freon will come out and it can severely hurt you, blind you guys, all kind of stuff. And if you release it in the atmosphere, there is a huge fine. I don't know what it was, but like $10,000 I think, if you get caught, so don't do it. Okay, with that being said, okay, this is the one right here. We pull it out, O-ring comes out, and this is, guys, the AC pressure switch that replaced, and in our case that fixed the problem. Now, we have a special video that explains how to test AC pressure switch. It's very simple. Okay, you want to make sure that the solenoid works, so you need to conduct 2 tests, and then one with the balloon, so to make sure that it releases and everything works correctly. The video will be on our main YouTube channel that you're watching now, Auto Repair guys, how to test AC pressure switch on Hyundai. Check it out and it's going to teach you how to do that. Now, if you want to see top 5 why the AC does not work on GDI engine, why the AC is blowing hot air, we'll have the video as well. Check it out, it will teach you everything about your AC system. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.